Hi, this is a small home automation project I have done. This works like a smart switch. So this switch will work normally. So when I turn on this circuit, so Arduino will get booted up. Now we can control these switches in three ways. One is using Alexa. So my Alexa is placed here. So when I tell Alexa, turn on light, so the light is got turned on. We can also use the Google Assistant to access these switches. Hey Google, turn on fan.
Okay, turning on fan.
So the fan gets turned on. So there is a lamp over there, so we can access that too. Alexa, turn on lamp. So lamps get turned on. So we can use this remote to control. If I click this, it will turn off the light. If I click this, it will turn off the fan, like that. And so this all works in a way like I have used here IR receiver here, so all IR connections will work. So here I used Arduino module, and this is a power supply unit because the power from the Arduino is not enough to boot up the relays. So here I used 4-way relays, so we can connect up to 4 switches. We can use 8 or 16, like so on, because we have multiple ports on Arduino. So how much ports we can utilize, you can do that. So it will cost around it cost me around 600 rupees for this, because the relay is 200 and this is 250, and wiring connection, so it cost around 600. There is also switches in market. For 4-way it cost around 2000, so that's why I tried to create on my own. And we can also access this TV and AC also. Alexa, turn on TV. Alexa, turn on AC. So TV is turned on, AC is turned on. There is also TV backlight. Alexa, turn on TV backlight. So I have attached a TV backlight there. So everything is controlled via this remote. So this is an IR transmitter, so we can configure the IR and we can transmit any hex codes we want to do. So I bought this device and Alexa for around 2500 rupees in the sale. Yeah. So if I tell Alexa, turn off lamp, so you can see that blink. So this transmit the IR to all the directions. So this work remote and this Alexa is connected. This is also connected with my Wi-Fi, so we can access via through Google Assistant also. Yeah. So if I turn this on, we can use these switches normally also. Yeah. If you want to try, we can also use this other than Arduino. We can use Node MCU because it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi, so it will directly connect to Wi-Fi. We won't need that work remote Alexa and all. We can directly use Node MCU and connect it to the Google Assistant. So Google providing the feature to for normal projects. We can't do with Alexa because Alexa only allow devices which are authorized, so we can do with the Google Assistant only. Why I bought this work remote is to control this TV and all the IR devices, because this room contains all the IR devices. So only if you want to control these switches, so we not need that Alexa and work remote and all. So we just do this setup and we can use this normal TV remote to control, and also the mobile phones and using via the Google Assistant, so we can do like that.